Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and well in your home. And welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am. And without delaying our time, I will start today's class. As I was teaching this chapter, Go Girl Go, right? This is I was giving the question answer of in father's presence, that also, and I hope you are studying in your home, and I have given the last video. I have attached the question answer by picture also, so I hope you have written in your copy and you are studying, and there are some more questions. Whatever I told, that I will give you the answers, and definitely the next poem I opened that poem. Okay, so I hope you understand whatever I am telling. See the last poem. This was your last poem. I opened a book. Like, there are also some questions. I will definitely discuss those questions, but before that I want to complete this chapter. Okay, so there it will be fine for you, as I have told this. This is a Go Girl Go, and this is a newspaper reports. Like, the last day I have told about Hima Dash and the newspaper of the Daybreak. Like, so there in report there was written about her. So the last day I was teaching this. I hope you remember. If you have understood, if there will be any problem to understand, definitely ask me in comment box. Okay, or there you can get my number also. You can call me also. If there will be any problem, you can ask me in call also. Okay, there will be no problem. And one more thing, so today I want to continue this chapter. Okay, today I want to continue this chapter. You can see the chapter. This is another newspaper report, Rooster's Call. Okay, this is another report, newspaper Rooster's Call, and the date sheet, Kolkata, 3rd September 2018. The report about 3rd September 2018. Okay, you can see her. This is another woman, another sportswoman. So see the heading of the report: Asian Games, Indian hipped athlete wins India its first gold. Indian hipped athlete. Okay, Indian hipped athlete wins, জিতেছে, wins India, জিতিয়েছে ইন্ডিয়াকে its first gold. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is the hipped athlete? It is written here. You can see in a box. It is written. A hipped athlon means who is that athlete. Okay, the hipped athlon is a track and field event. Okay, it is a track in the field, an event. It is a combined events contest made up of 7 events. Okay, it is a combined event. How many? Of 7 events. Okay, the name comes from hepta for 7 and athlon for feet. Okay, names come from hepta, it is come 7, and athlon for feet. A competitor in the event is called a hipped athlete. Now you got? Okay, so hipped athlete, why? Because a competitor, যে এই প্রতিযোগিতায় অংশগ্রহণ করে, প্রতিযোগিনী. I hope you have understood. এখানে প্রতিযোগিনী. Okay, as she is a woman sportswoman, means she is a sportswoman. That is why the competitor, I am telling, প্রতিযোগিনী. Okay, so who is a competitor who takes a part in this event? She or he is called hipped athlete. Now you got heptathlon is a track and event field. It is a event of field. Okay, and who is a competitor who takes a part in this event? That is she or he is called hipped athlete. Okay, now I think it is clear to you what is hipped athlete. Okay, there you will get another name. I hope you can see the video. I hope it is clear more than before time. See, Shapna Burman. is a very common name. It's a very well-known name to us. And about you can see her picture, and about her it is told so many things. Who is Shapna Burman? How many things? Won the gold at the 2017 Asian Championships for heptathlon. Received rupees 1.5 lakh as annual sports scholarship from Great Sports India in 2016. Hails from Jalpaiguri in West Bengal. She is from Jalpaiguri. Shapna Burman, the heroic heptathlete. I hope you can see the picture. Okay. Now I am starting this report. Shapna Burman clinched India's first ever heptathlon gold at the Asian Games this year. In this year 2018, she clinched, means she won, she had adopted, she achieved means India first ever heptathlon gold at which games? Asian Games in this year. She accumulated, there are so many meanings are written. Custom shoes, made histories, there are written, you can see the blue lines, blue words, right? Okay. See, she accumulated 6026 points from the 7 events. From this event she accumulated, she achieved how much points? 6026 points. Okay. That she competed in over 2 days. Within 2 days. That she competed for 2 days, in over 2 days. Okay. The 7 events were high jump. How many events? What was there? 7 events were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, 800 meter run. Okay, these are all the name of some events. Okay, I hope you are well known to all this. High jump, there are high jump, long jump, I hope you know, right? High jump, in your school sports also you have to do so many sports like high jump, long jump, right? So this is high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, 800 meter run. Okay, so these are the 7 events, and she competed it in 2 days and she got this point. Okay, 6026 points. Next, she was a junior national record holder in high jump. Okay, she was a junior national record holder. She got a national record holder, but she was a junior in high jump before she took up heptathlon on the advice of her coach, as her coach advised her to take part in this event. Before it, she was a junior national record holder in high jump also. Okay, what was her coach's name? Subhash Sarkar. Subhash Sarkar is her coach. The heroic heptathlete had to fight pain and discomfort throughout the Asian Games. She had to fight a lot. She had to fight a pain and discomfort throughout the Asian Games. She didn't get that comfort zone. Okay, she has an extra toe on each foot and did not have customized shoes to shoot her feet, as she has an extra toe on her on each foot. Okay, in each foot. I hope you can understand what is toe. You know the meaning of toe. So she has an extra toe, okay, on each foot. Duto patei, each foot, duto patei. Okay, so she has an extra toe on each foot and did not have customized shoes. See here, shoes specially made to fit her feet. Okay, extra toes. Okay, it was but she didn't manage. She did not have customized shoes to shoot her feet. She also had a terrible toothache on the day of the final event. Okay, on the day of the final event, she had a terrible toothache on the day of the final event, showing courage and determination. But she was very courageous and she was determined that she won the gold medal and made history for India, and she had that. Okay, she did that. Here, made history means did something great not done before. Okay, which is not made done before. So but she had a lot of discomfort zone, as she didn't have that customized shoes, as she has an extra toe in each foot. Okay, and on the final event day she had a terrible toothache. So but she shows her courage and determination. She won the gold medal and made a history for India. She won it on India's National Sports Day. Okay, on which day? She won it on the Indian National Sports Day, which made it extra special. Her next target is to do well in the 2020 Olympics. It's a coming Olympic. It is a target to next make a next record. Okay, so I hope you can understand. I hope you can see, and if there will be any problem, you definitely can ask me. Okay, so I have completed this daybreak, the last video, and rooster's call in today, and the next I will give you the explanation about planet news. Okay, this is also included in this section. Okay, this is another name, Vinesh Phogat. You can see Vinesh Phogat. This is another name. This is another lady, another sportswoman. So definitely I will give you the explanation of this on the next video. Okay, so today I just told about rooster's call, this part. Okay, this newspaper report. So if there will be any problem to understand, definitely ask me. If there will be any problem to understand any meaning, definitely you can ask me in comment box. And I hope you are studying in your home, and those question answer I have given. Still I will give you some more questions, as I told. Definitely I will discuss those question and answer. Before that I want to complete this section. Okay, so that will be fine for you. It will be regular, so you can understand the chapters. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day. Wait for the next video. Okay, so till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.